Today we're making breakfast burritos. I'm going to use flour tortillas for my kids, low carb for me, sausage gravy, sausage and eggs. I have to start off with a garbage bag or a bowl or something. It just saves a bit of time, I find. Gonna speed this up a little bit as it's kind of tedious to watch me crack like 8 eggs. Haha. I like to clean my workspace as I go just to keep it a little bit tidy, and I do have a small kitchen, so it certainly helps. Lots of hand washing is an absolute must. I just like to season my eggs with salt and pepper. I don't always use milk or anything. Just gonna stir these up with my little bitty whisk. I love this whisk. This particular day I was making, quite a few burritos, so I did cook a bit more sausage. Actually surprised I fit that many in the pan. Now I'm going back to wash my hands again. Again, I love hand washing. I'm getting ready to heat this gravy up, and I'm going to use my cute little piggy spatula. This swaggerty sausage is really good. Chop up the sausage kind of small, but maybe bite-sized pieces. Just dump the sausage in with your finished eggs. Stir it all around, mix it up really good. Just giving my gravy a good stir. Now I'm just getting ready to put my burritos together. I'll start off with the kids' burritos so that I can get them done first. Put some gravy, a good amount, otherwise it'll be too dry. Put a good amount of your mixture. I'm not a really good burrito folder, I will admit. They're kind of janky, but they taste really good. My kids love them. They're easy. You can even freeze them if you wanted to, and they can just take them down and heat them up. Again, I can't fold really well. They do make pretty good low carb options. You can go light on the gravy or no gravy at all. I've even made a cream cheese sauce type gravy, if you will, to go in mine. But today I just used a little bit of the sausage gravy because it smelled delicious. I don't really fold mine too well because I use a fork for mine. So there you have it, you guys. And ta-da, the finished product.